Hey guys, what's going on? I got the MIP heavy duty axles for the Traxxas Slash 4x4. These are for the front. It's gonna show you how to put these ones together. They're all MIP has the axles for quite a few different cars, but they're basically all the same. So other than that, they send you grease and your Loctite here. You definitely want to grease all these little parts and Loctite all the threads. So I just use a little toothpick, cut the end off, get a little flat spot on it, and I'm going to take, I don't know, I guess I'm just going to call this a collar. Yeah, one end's threaded. One end is for your set screw, and then the hole right in the center is for one of these pins. So yeah, grease all this up. Get that greased up and just slide your one pin in here. Slide it in so that you're pushing from the thread side so that you don't fill the threads full of grease. And this part's going through the wheel. This is for the hub. So I take the spline side, that's the male side, and use it. Drop some grease in there. And be careful not to get your grease into your Loctite. Yeah, so then just slide that in together. Take your pin. And remember which way your threads go. You want your threads pointing out. Slide your little pin in there so that there's a groove, a flat spot on this groove. It'll line up with the threads of that collar piece you put in there. There we go. Slide that pin all the way through. And then before you push it all the way in, make sure you see the flat spot pointing up. Push it the rest of the way in. Try not to move it. And then take your other toothpick. Take your set screw. It'll be the big fat one with no point on it. Get some Loctite on there. Be generous. Now, make sure you still have that flat spot pointing up so that when you thread this in there, that pin gets locked in place by the set screw. And then that's it. It's done together. Don't touch it for 24 hours. Let that Loctite dry. And basically you go ahead and do the exact same for all four ends, all your pieces. Hook up your hubs, and Loctite your set screws on your differential. When you do that, they will back out if you don't let it dry. And that is it. Alright, so I got all the rest of the 4 of them done there. Just gonna let them all sit basically and dry, and turn that down. Wait till they're dry and then install them in the truck there. Don't forget to do it right now for mine. Grease your splines when you put them together. Just go ahead and put a big hair on there. Put some in there. And that's it. There's your axle. I like these axles. They hold up really good. I run them in my Stampede and my Viterra Halix. But this one's going to get them around the house, fronts and backs. I just got them in the rears for my Viterra and the Stampede. They're great. No give in these ones. Right on, guys. Thanks for watching. If you got these axles, I hope they work out. Let them dry. Let that Loctite dry, or your set screws will be flying out. That's it. Cool.